Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do fog lights on my 2014 GMC Sierra. It's going to be pretty similar on any other vehicle to do fog lights. Instead of just changing them, we're going to actually upgrade to LEDs from Auxito LED. I looked at the other brand that I bought my headlights from. I'll put that link up above. Those ran like 115 bucks. This company reached out. I looked at their website and theirs were only 40 bucks. Same thing, pretty much same thing. So I'm gonna give these a try. If you go onto their website, pretty user friendly. You put in your year, make, model, certain trim package if you have it, and then it'll populate your vehicle. It'll give you an option to get a full set, which comes headlights, fog lights, whatever lights they offer for your vehicle, which I think is pretty cool. And it just gives you pricing, get every LED bulb that they offer for your vehicle as a complete package. Or you can select just what you wanted. For me, I already had LED headlights. I just wanted to do the fog lights, so that's what I picked. So one of the things I noticed, these versus the other brand, is the other brand comes with some fancy package. 40 bucks versus the other brand was gonna be 115. I can't justify all the packaging for the extra money. So if we open these up, I mean, they are packaged fairly well. They obviously didn't get damaged getting shipped to me. They put foam around the actual LED elements. So now we're going to go underneath the truck and we're going to get these installed. Alright, tip: if you work in a gravel driveway like I do, because my garage obviously is too full of engines and everything to pull the vehicle inside, the gravel can be awful rough. Go to a carpet store or home improvement store or something and see if you can buy some old carpet squares. These have been well used and abused, but you can lay them down so when you're laying underneath your vehicle, you don't have rocks stabbing your back, which can kind of be aggravating. And then you don't have to put your vehicle up on ramps. I did, just so I can get the camera in a better position underneath. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is disconnect the electrical connector. And then if you reach on top, you'll see this release tab. Just give it a press and pull it up or pull it out. The weather seal might be on the very end or might stick in the bulb. This one's here, so we don't need to check the bulb, but there should be a weather seal. If it's not there, check inside the bulb once you get that out. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and remove the bulb. Alright, usually they don't come out that easy. There's actually two release tabs on both sides, so you need to pinch them together and then pull it out of your housing up there. Alright, now if you were just to install standard bulbs, you'd go and put the new bulb in and reconnect your electrical connector. Since we're doing the LEDs, alright, now when installing it, you want to make sure there is one pin or one alignment slot on the other side, two on the other, so when you feel up and feel your housing, the two are on this side. So we're going to do it, the two on that side, like so. Like that. Alright, now one thing I did when I was pushing that in, I got a little too rough with it. There's actually, you won't be able to see it, there's actually a little adjuster on the bottom. I actually popped the lens out of it, so I was able to just get it lined back up and just give it a tap and it went back in. But just be careful when you're pushing that new bulb in, which you can see it in there, that you don't push too hard and actually pop the assembly out of the truck. Alright, then finally we have the little pigtail that comes off of the LED bulb. We have the old connector, or I guess the truck side connector. It goes onto the bulb. Slide them together. A little hard with one hand. There we go. We slide them together until you feel it click, so we know it's fully seated. The little notch is in there like it's supposed to be. Alright, once your LED bulb is in, you got the wiring hooked up on this side. We're going to go to the other side, get that one installed, and then we'll test it.
5 minutes later.
Alright, now we got both fog lights in. We're going to hop around, turn it on. One benefit is these have a 2-year warranty. I know the other ones had a lifetime warranty, but they are LEDs, So we'll let the truck power on. Headlights are on. And then we'll turn fog lights on. So we know the fog lights are on. Alright. Oh, look at that. Matches the headlights now. So much better. Some of you may not care. I care. I want my crap to look good. So the only thing that sucks now is the actual LED strips in the headlight assembly are not the bright white, but I can deal with that because that is awesome. I'm glad they match now. All right, there you go, guys. Fog lights are installed. They definitely match the headlights now, which I like. So thanks to Auxito LED for reaching out. So far, great product. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, go and subscribe. If I would have any problems with these, I will just make a post on the YouTube channel so only subscribers can see it. So go and subscribe. And again, I'll put a link to their website down below so you guys can go check them out for yourself, get yourself some LED bulbs. So that's all I have for today. So take care, guys.